welcome to Jolie TV! Today I'm gonna show you my secret ingredients on what to put into your smoothie right now. Because as a beauty and health addict, I'm always obsessed with finding the best ingredients to get that glowing and radiant skin that we all want. But before we start, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video! Woohoo!
Okay, so here are the basic fruits and veggies that you need in your smoothie. Besides kale, carrot, apple, blueberry, there's no way around ginger and turmeric. Ginger helps with weight loss and fights any viruses that you might have in your body. And turmeric improves brain function and helps prevent cancer.
Now let's get to the fun stuff! Because I'm all about living the glamorous lifestyle on a budget, I buy the next three ingredients in powder form because obviously it lasts so much longer but still has the same effect as the actual superfood.
The Chinese Supreme Blend Chai Tonic is an energy bomb. And who doesn't need energy in the morning? I know I do. It has a bunch of superfoods in it like Schisandra, Angelica, and white peony. The benefits are too many to list, but I can tell you, you will feel and look amazing. The Maqui Berry comes from the country of Patagonia. It is basically natural vegan collagen. It also helps with blood sugar control so you will not get any chocolate cravings and stay skinny and gorgeous. And the last one is the Baobab Powder from Africa. It is also called the African Tree of Life. It contains more antioxidants than any other whole fruit, so you will get that radiant skin that we all want. And it is considered one of the highest alkaline foods there is, which helps with fighting chronic disease.
Ta-da! Now you know my secret ingredients to get that glowing and radiant skin. It has been working amazingly for me. I hope it works for you too. So cheers and hope to see you next time. Woo!